Buongiorno. I'm your host, the Black Hugh Hefner, and welcome to Playboy International.
But of course, let's get straight into these hot topics. As always, I'm Dr. Ross, and this is Black King Sebastian, Hugh Hefner. Let's get straight into these hot topics. So starting it out with Longneck and Megan Fox. They've been in the topics for a little bit now, but apparently Longneck has a child, an African-American mixed child. What are your thoughts about this Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Dr. Ross, Mr. Brian Green, he's just getting stomped on the neck right now. Because if you had listened to Black King, you still have time. Listen to the Black Book. Obviously, you will have to pay a fee, but you will not end up like the Brad Pitt or the Jennifer Aniston or the Ben Affleck. All of those sapsuckers. So, before you turn into O.J. Simpson, listen to Black King. Get some advice from Playboy International.
Because Megan Fox basically just has her foot on your throat, and not only that, just to stab you a little bit more after openly making all these posts and shading you, she's apparently getting engaged to Longneck.
Whoa, hey!
He just shouted at me down the microphone.
What did I fucking shout at you down the mic for? Playing your fucking mouth, mate. I'm a grown man. You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want the fucking brawl, come down Smethwick, ask for Danny G. I'll come out my house and I'll break your fucking legs, you little prick!
And you guys haven't even divorced.
Exactly, you haven't even divorced the Green, but apparently now you're engaged with this other person. But let's get into our next hot topic. We're not going to go too much on that. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West are still living apart to save their marriage. If you guys look at this photo, before Black King Sebastian, if you guys look at this photo, you got Kanye crying and then Kim looks like a Muppet. You don't want to... No.
All I have to say, Dr. Ross, haven't they already resolved this?
Exactly.
And second of all, Kanye, stop crying around. You did that on stage, now stop crying around at your house.
You're too rich to be sniveling about a small thing like the Green.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
So Reese Witherspoon's son, Deacon, scores a major deal, a contract with Sony Music. What are your thoughts about this Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Dr. Ross, he's trying to go out there, get into the SMG and all of those movie producing and the music video producing companies. So do you. We'd love to be in a video. Black King, the Black Hugh Hefner, and Dr. Ross. We'll help you make something that's fire.
BS.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
So this topic is a little bit interesting. You have Amber Rose covers up her famous, in sweatpants as the model takes mom Dorothy out for lunch. But in this photo right here, you can see Amber Rose has tried to put a little bit of concealer over her tattoo on her forehead.
Well, Dr. Ross, you can tell that by now she's sick and tired of the tattoo across her forehead. Because you look beautiful, Miss Amber Rose, and you still look beautiful now. But all you have to do is just take that tattoo off of the top. Because you know and I know that that doesn't work for both you and the boyfriend.
I don't know why, this is the next hot topic, but I don't know why they're dragging it out so far. The man, they just have to pay him his money, keep him quiet, and Will Smith can keep going around saying it's an entanglement.
My nigga, did I just catch you simping?
Do you honestly think?
But August goes out saying that he can no longer stay silent about his relationship with Jada, saying that there were feelings attached and that he cannot let them go.
Get the hell out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
And Dr. Ross, he's been saying this to People TV and the magazines and tabloids for years, probably months now. But obviously they didn't accept him at first, so a while later, now he's came back after they revealed the truth with the quote-unquote entanglements, so now they have the proof to put him into the tabloids. So he's probably going to start pressing forward, trying to get that money to get it to squeeze out of the Will Smith.
And a lot of people, on that topic too, a lot of people are making so many memes about that because Will Smith, you were just laughing at the table. How are you gonna laugh at the table when a little kid just took your girl, and then you asked her what happened, she said it's an entanglement, and you started giggling.
See, I didn't know I came here to be disrespected.
Something's not right there. Something is not right. But let's get into our next hot topic.
Obviously, Will, you are probably entangled in some of your own mess.
Exactly. So that means Will's playing the double sword. But let's get into our next hot topic. Katy Perry says the pregnancy with Orlando Bloom was no mistake. We're both being very cautious about it because apparently her fans are saying, was it an accident? Did they accidentally have the baby? Because apparently she was with Orlando before and they had broke up.
Who knows? It might be an accident considering that she's always drunk, 420, doing all the smoke, sniff, sniff. She's doing a lot of things right now. So, chic, it could have been an accident. It could have been her own will.
Or maybe Katy Perry's just trying to get down and calm it down on the scandalous side. She might still be acting up on the, the reality show that they have with the artists that come out. But
first of all, Katy Perry, you don't need any more children. After just a few months ago, you fell down on stage on the American Idol.
That
and
was
you've probably done
extreme.
that many other times in your own personal space.
Bro. That shit was so retarded. I'm about to respond in another language. What the?
And let's get straight into today's horoscope. We have Leo for this month, August 20th, 2020. Work hard today to negate the best financial deal you can. This doesn't have to involve money directly. You may ask for more vacation days, percentage points, or health benefits that are intentionally offered. So basically this year is you're gonna be receiving a lot of things, Leo. That's all we're saying today. This month is lucky for you guys.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And before we move on to Ask Dr. Ross for today, let's talk a bit about the Miley Cyrus.
Exactly. So Miley Cyrus, all we want to say about you is we saw you licking your tongue around in the new video and trying to make it look older type. But Miley Cyrus, we mean this with no disrespect because we love you as a person, but Black King Sebastian and I can work with you for the music to help you because
we'd be a great addition to your band because Miley, you can't sing, and that's no offense to you, but Dr. Ross and I will show you how to dress and how to work the microphone. These were all of our hot topics, but let's move into Ask Dr. Ross.
And before we get into Ask Dr. Ross, we do want to mention our rose and gold Rasta shampoo, Rasta hair products, and the clothing line. It's been going through the roof, guys. Thank you. We didn't really think it was going to be selling this much, but it is going crazy. Selling just like hotcakes. Thank you, guys. We appreciate you.
And Master P, we'd love to do a partnership with the Jamaican hair gel and clothing line. Let's team up, Master P. Let's move into our first question.
What if you wanted to go to heaven, but God said,
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
Our first question is from Miss Myra. Myra is asking, how much is it for a bottle of the Jamaican hair shampoo?
Well, Maya, thank you for the question. And as always, the Jamaican Rasta shampoo is $25.99 and the Rasta gel, it's not here right now, but the Rasta gel is $9.99. It will be on our site. Make sure to go get you some.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's move into our final question.
Why'd you give me gloves?
To catch these hands.
And this is our final question for Ask Dr. Ross. This question is for you, Black King Sebastian. They're asking if you've recently heard about DMX's new documentary talking about the life of DMX and about Master P and his, $1 lick rice. All the stuff that Master P is doing with his noodles, his pancakes. What are your thoughts?
I've seen a few clips of it so far, but Master P, you know the deal. Let's
Make it
work
say,
together.
oh.
That's right, Dr. Ross. We'd both be great in the King of the South movie and your new documentary series that you're doing. But I don't really listen to either of their music, but I respect what they're doing. That's sweet Kylie Jenner. Out.
Au revoir.